Hey guys, I hope you are all doing really well and welcome to my first YouTube video. If you would like to see how I painted this beautiful blue canvas, then please keep watching. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your canvas and prep your canvas with white acrylic paint all over. And as you can see, I'm just taking the paint right out of the tube. So the next thing you're going to want to do is get the shade that you want to ombre. So in this case, I'm using blue and turquoise. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my blue. You don't need that much, you just need a tiny amount. And I'm just going to place this sparingly onto the canvas where I want the darkest part. So I'm going to be doing very dark at the bottom and then going lighter towards the top. And because the white paint is still wet, the white will slowly blend into the blue, creating this lovely ombre effect that I always do on most of my paintings. And you can keep blending that in depending on how smooth you want your transition to be. And then I'm going to grab my deep turquoise shade and I'm going to dot that around. So the next thing you're going to want to do is get the image that you want to transfer onto the canvas. In this case, I'm using this one. And you're just going to grab your pencil and sketch the image onto the canvas. Once you have got all the penciled lines onto the canvas, you're going to want to grab your angled paintbrush. I'm just using a regular angled paintbrush that I found in my local craft store. I'm sure you can find this anywhere. And you're going to grab your acrylic ink. I'm using the Daler Rowney acrylic ink in black. I find it's really pigmented and it's one of the best inks I've used, so I'm going to carry on using this. And you're going to need a small palette to take your ink out on. and once the ink has fully dried, you can go ahead and rub off all the pencil lines. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any recommendations or any recommendations of what my next video should be, then please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time in my next video.